Welcome back. ITEC has filed an intervention petition with the Supreme Court with Goa Mining Labour Welfare Union demanding restoration of mining operations in the state. The petition is signed by 30,000 mining dependent people. ITEC has joined hands with the mining dependents in the state. ITEC will hold a meeting of dependent people on 30th October in Bicholi.
गोंयच्या वतीन गोंयच्या सगळ्या मायनिंग क्षेत्रांत आनी इतर वावर करपी वावरड्यांच्या नांवान सुप्रीम कोर्टांत आमी पिटिशन घाल्लें आसा. जे रिट पिटिशन जाका जोडचें म्हणून आनी आमचें नांव सुप्रीम कोर्टांत घालचें म्हणून वी हॅव filed an intervention application in the Supreme Court on behalf of Goa Mining Labour Welfare Union.
There are more than 63,000 workers engaged in mining and allied activities directly in the mining sector, and more than 3 lakh people are dependent on mining.
An order and direction demanding job security and full wages to all mine workers and all stakeholders in various mines in Goa. And an order directing the state government to take over and operate all mining leases in Goa.
AITUC leaders will address a meeting of mining dependent people on 30th October in Bicholim.
We have secured more than 30,000 petitions from people. More than 30,000 people have signed within the last 4 days, and these petitions have been sent to the Supreme Court.
Reporter Paratik Parab with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Social activist Tara Kerkar has alleged the officials in the protective home at Merces of ill treatment to the victims. She said the victims in the protective home are not given proper food and medication. She has demanded change in the panel of the protective home.
Some days back, few girls were rescued from a parlour in North Goa. They were later taken to the protective home in Merces. Now, parents and relatives of the girls have come down to Goa to take the girls back to their hometown. But the officials at the protective home are misbehaving with the relatives. Tara has demanded to change the panel of members.
Protective home अशी जाता कितें तांकां दर थंयसर जेवण मेळना. पॅनल आसा ती कितली तरी वर्सां पासून तेच पॅनल आसा. कित्याक आसा तेच पॅनल? कित्याक पॅनल चेंज जायना? कित्याक सगळी देखरेख व्यवस्थित जायना? गव्हर्नमेंट ते स्टाफ आसा ते आनी पॅनल मिळून गव्हर्नमेंटाचो जो पयसो येता ते आपूण खातात आनी त्या लोकांक थंयसर विक्टिमांक तांकां उपाशी रडयतात. म्हाका जाय गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन तेंच्यांनी व्यवस्थित तेंची हे करून तेंची फॅमिली येयल्या तेंची चोडवां तेंचे कडेन स्वाधीन दिवची तेंच्या आनी तुमी शोशण करचें न्हू म्हणून.
Prajot Pednekar for Prudent.
Suspicious operations of stone quarrying at Dulai Darbandoda have disturbed the locals. People have alleged that the owner of the quarry, Anant Shetye, is threatening them. They have asked the government authorities to immediately stop the operations of the quarry.
This is the laterite stone quarry at Dulai Darbandoda. This land was earlier green and cultivable. Farmers from the area cultivated chilies and rajma on this land, but lately the landlord stopped farming in this area. This is the new business, stone quarrying.
सगळी जमीन सगळी भाटकारांची जी आसा ती नष्ट केल्ली आसा आनी लोकांक आतां कांय करूंक मेळना. जंय खंय काजूचे रोंपे कितें घालताले ते सगळे वडयल्ले आसा आनी कोणूय कितें विचारूंक गेलो जाल्यार भाटकार धमकी दिता. तुजें कितें आहा तें घेवन यो, कितें करपाचें तें आपूण करता, तुमकां जाय तें करा अशें म्हणून लोकांक धमकी दिता.
People are worried as the quarry has affected regular water supply to the locality and is blocking traditional way to the school. People allege that no authority pays attention to this problem.
आमी सरकारा कडेन इतलेंच मागणी करता जे आमकां कितें डेंजरस जेन्ना आमी गांवांतल्यान अशें येता एक मोटरसायकल कितें घेवन टू व्हिलर येता तेन्ना आमकां भंय दिसता. अशें चिऱ्याच्यो गाडयो दिसाक 10-15 लोड वयता आनी ते रफ येतात आनी आमकां केन्ना कट मारून वडयल्ले पसून आसा.
People have demanded to stop the functioning of stone quarry.
आमचो डिमांड म्हळ्यार फक्त आमकां अशें हें डेंजरस पोजिशन जालां हें अशें रस्त्या कडेन तेजेर कितें पूण निर्णय जावचो. एक तर ह्यो सामक्योच बंद जावच्यो.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.